Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. I know I told you in my last video that the next time you see me, it would be when the movers are here. Well, I changed my mind. There's still a few more things I felt I needed to pack up in preparing for the movers. Now, just in case it's your first time on this channel, let me give you a quick info about what I'm doing. I am moving yet again. I have moved so many times I've lost count of how many times I've moved. But I've decided to move one more time. And I'm preparing before the movers get here. Now, if you've ever had a cleaning service, you know how you clean before the cleaners get there? Kind of doing something similar. And I'm doing that because sometimes when you have movers coming, things get missing or things go missing. Things are broken. And there are just a few things like my food saver that I want to pack myself just to make sure. And if they get broken, the movers did it because they're going to be moving these boxes. But I'm in the kitchen. This is the sitting area right over on the other side of the kitchen. I'm stacking a few things up and I am packing. So I want to bring you guys along just in case you like this kind of content. Come on with me and let's pack this house up because we're moving one more time. Come on, y'all. Let's go. Yeah, you. Let's go pack because no one else is going to do it. All right.
1, 2, 3.